Shopping. I'm going to the thrift shop to buy some sweets.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Can I have 3 sweets, please?
1, 2, 3. Here you are.
Thank you. How much are they?
Here you are. Bye bye.
Bye. See you.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Can I have one book, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
This is it.
It is €5.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Shop to buy a ball.
Morning.
Hello, good morning. Can I have a ball, please?
Yeah, here you are.
How much is it?
It is €5.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Let's go shopping. I'm going to the greengrocer. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Can I have 1 kilo for oranges, please?
Yes, of course. 1, 2, 3.
How much are they?
They are €1.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye.
Go shopping. I'm going to the supermarket.
Special offer, 10 biscuits for £1.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Can I have 10 biscuits, please?
Yes, of course.
Here you are. How much are they?
They are £1.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Good morning. Hello, good morning. Can I have a comic, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
How much is it?
Is it €1?
Here you are.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.